Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 358th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today's recipe I'm going to share with all of you an old-fashioned chocolate frosting. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so yummy, chocolatey delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. It's going to be full of chocolate goodness. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my frosting recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Fried Okra. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your cocoa powder, and your powdered sugar, because we're about to make some chocolate frosting magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to cream this on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And 1/4 teaspoon of pure butter extract. Mix that in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder that's sifted. Add this in real slowly. Mix until it's well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to slowly add in 3 cups of sifted powdered sugar. And I have my mixer on low so that way I won't make a mess. Mix this in real good. Alright my friends, for the last ingredient, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. And mix everything together until it's well combined. Alright my friends, there you have it. That's how simple and easy it is to make old-fashioned chocolate frosting. Doesn't that look good? And it's perfect for any cake. And stay tuned on my next episode. I'm going to share with all of you a delicious homemade classic yellow cake. It'll be perfect for this chocolate frosting. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.